It gives me uh, a real sweet joy just to see that little bird uh, coming home to sleep. And then in the morning, I'm awake, and then the little bird wakes as the sun starts to come up. He's been asleep all night long, uh, and he starts singing. First thing he does, he doesn't fly away. He wakes up and he starts singing. Sing for about 5 or 10 minutes. It's so sweet and beautiful. Uh, this this is how the world uh, should be experienced. Everything about the world is lovely if you have lovely eyes. Everything in the world is evil if you have evil eyes.